everybody, welcome to another video of Snarin Bait. In today's video we're going to be getting back on the kayak, getting out on the lake. I'm going to be going to a new lake today. I've never been to this spot, but I got the kayak rigged up. What I'll probably be using is kind of like a grub, a little jig head, and on the one spinning reel, and I'll probably put on like a jig or maybe a chatterbait as the day goes on. But without further ado, let's get onto the water and see if we can catch something at this new spot. Everybody, made it to the new spot. I just got a little jig with a jig head. I'm thinking about walking along here, kind of going down the little creek, and hopefully get onto some fish. So hopefully we can get something down here. Alright guys, I switched up tactics a little bit. Instead of using just a grub, I put a worm on here, and I also got a camera in the water, and I'm going to try to get one of these little fish. I've been seeing some bass in here too, on camera underwater too, so let's just keep on going here and see if we can catch something. There's one. There we go. There's our first fish. Really nice bluegill. Let's throw it back in the water and see if we can catch another one.